Show me the greatest politician you have today from Igbo land. Mention any that is great in the past 10 years, in the past 20 years. We don't have. In the past 30 years, there's no great Igbo politician. In the past 40 years,
that's actually...
there's no great Igbo politician. The politicians we call great still remains Michael Opara.
Yes.
Still remains Nnamdi Azikiwe.
Azikiwe.
They studied Western education to its peak, and yet they kept their tradition, culture, and value. See the way they dressed. Their dressing is Igbo. The way they speak Igbo. They don't funkify their accent. You go to their house, you see that Igbo-ness in them. They protected our tradition and value.